Okay, Pop's piglets are out exploring. Here they are in the barnyard, taking themselves for a walk. Hello little fellas. Hello girls. What are you finding around there? You'll come in soon enough when the food comes along. Morning Jack. Hello, good boy. Good boy Jack. Good boy Jack. Yeah, what are your children doing, eh? What are your children doing? They're going to be starving in a minute. Alright, let's go and get your food.